নমস্কার, আমি লালিয়া দত্তগুপ্ত। আজকে সংস্কৃতি কলকাতার তরফ থেকে আজকে 140th এপিসোড অন তসর এমব্রয়ডারি, নানান রকম সুতোর কাজ দেখাবো তসরের ওপর। এবং আপনাদের আজকে প্রথমেই বলি, সকলকে অনেক অনেক ধন্যবাদ। আপনারা আমাদের এত ভালোবাসা দিয়েছেন, এত সাপোর্ট করেছেন, তার इतना सारा ढेर सारा प्यार जो आप लोगों ने हमको शावर किया है, थैंक यू so much for that. So let's start the program with tussar embroidery. Today I'll start with a printed tussar, pure tussar with a woven border. The uniqueness of this sari is its printing. It's a very pretty, very unique style. It's a plank style printing. On top of that, we've done sanganari print. So it's a very traditional tussar printed sari. See, the plank printing is, you can see from the pleat part, it seems as if like veneer. See, it looks like a wood finish. On top of that, we've done the sanganari print, block printing sanganari, but the embroidery lies in the pleat. The pleat is with thread work. So on draping, the body part will have the print part and the pleat part will have the embroidery part. It's a very smart looking sari. See, after draping, it will have a very fashionable, pretty look. See, so the pleat part gives a wood finish with embroidery and the upper part with the block printing done, and the color is brownish mustard with a block printed blouse piece in tussar. This is the blouse piece in printing, tussar printed blouse piece. It's a very pretty sari, product number 1, and we have another color. I suppose in case I miss out the prices, it's all mentioned in the screenshot. Anyway, I can't see the tag here. I'll tell you the price of this. Product number 2, it's the same price, 9,500 for this. This is a olive color. That was a mustard tone. This is an olive tone. This is also a very beautiful color. See, it comes in horizontal stripes with the block printing. It has a the printing is itself very unique, the color combination, the printing, and then when you get the pleated embroidery, pleats with embroidery, it gives another dimension to the sari. So it's a very, as I said, it's a very fashionable sari. This is the blouse piece. See, on draping how smart it looks. $9,500, and our tussars are definitely pure. At the same time, we polish it very soft polish so that it's very easy to carry. Sometimes people who can't wear tussar, only crepe and chiffons and georgettes, for them they are so, the first time purchasers are also so happy buying tussar from us, because we try to definitely it's pure, and on top of that, the polish and the whole finish, the look gives a very different classy, elegant look, especially tussar. 9,500, product number 3. It has a chikankari machine embroidery border and the flowers in between. These are stitched in such a way there are little holes in between, so that the thread just has been pulled to create this small holes in between the flowers. Very smart embroidery in light in off-white color, creamish color. See the pallu, 9,500 with pink tassel. It's a virgin tussar color, mostly it's kind of a butter color, off-white color with running blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. It will have just the piping in it, pink piping, and here is the sari. Very simple looking, very elegant sari, ideal for all ages. Little flowers throughout, and here is the pallu once again. It has very rich big pallu. Same thing, I have a orangish mustard color. Lovely shade of haldi, the raw turmeric color. 9,500 inside of the turmeric haldi. When we cut the skin, the inside color, it's orangish. It's like a saffron color, you can see. 9,500 with again embroidery in the border. Here is the embroidery in the border and here is the pallu part. 9,500 with butta all over, pink thread work, running blouse piece, here is the whole sari. This color goes so well with Indian complexion, you know, it enhances the complexion actually. Sober yet gorgeous. 3 colors, 9,500. This is the pista tone in this. $9,500. We have 2 branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamir Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. We have the car park. Sunday we are open all days till the Durga Pujas. 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. we are open every day, and this is the blouse piece. We have cash on delivery service only in Kolkata, not outside Kolkata. In Kolkata, only cash on delivery services are available. Outside Kolkata, via courier. International shipping are done regularly. You have to select the product, WhatsApp to the number, any one of the number, WhatsApp only for bookings. Any one of the number, please WhatsApp your selection, your photo, screenshot of the product with the number mentioned. The number should be mentioned in the screenshot, not just the picture. The number of the episode which is going now, the screenshot is necessary. Once I approve, I check out the availability of the product, I confirm your booking. After the payment is done, we'll courier it to you. 9,500 for this midnight blue thread work, silk thread work sari in pure tussar. The threads have been used in silk threads. Lovely shade, lovely combination, both side border with butta all over. This too will have a running blouse piece in midnight blue, same running blouse piece. Here is the sari. I remember 26 years back when I started selling tussar. The tussar printed we had started selling for 1900 only, and now imagine where the prices have soared to. Another gorgeous tussar with paisley embroidery in multicolor. Very gorgeous magenta color, multicolor pallu embroidery. 9,500 at product number 7. 9,500. Rich embroidery, very gorgeous, bright, again with running blouse piece. This will be the running blouse piece with the piping. And here is the sari. See the work, very fashionable, bright, gorgeous. $9,500 for this. And even another color that the mannequin is wearing in black. Very rich color combination, bright colors used in jet black. 9,500. 9,500 all over butta. See, Okay, the 8th product, another color in the same design. So these are the colors available in this paisley work. This blue is equally gorgeous. It's a peacock blue, navy blue kind of a color, not actually navy blue, midnight blue color. 9500, product number 8. Neat finish. This is the back side, this is the piping, this is the full thread work that has been done. These are minimum maintenance. You just wear 3-4 times, once polish, again wear 3-4 times, once dry clean. That's the way you just normal, nothing doing. These are all pure fabric, but dry clean is must, because I don't know what detergent you will be using at home, but still these are dyed products, so best to use. To retain the glaze of the product, dry clean is necessary, sometimes polish. Okay, I have another lovely shade in this, pista in this also. So all the paisley shades are very pretty. 4 colors I am showing you in this. This is a lighter tone, very elegant combination, a shade of green. 9500. You can wear this with a red blouse also, but the sari blouse also will look nice, because since both side broad border, it's best to use a simple solid color blouse which with not much bling in it. So it's best to wear the red color, simple red color, or sari color blouse which is provided with the sari. Now some Kashmiri in zari border tussar, wine color, daman, Kashmiri embroidery. Since one side border is broad and with very intricate Kashmiri embroidery, these are all machine embroidery. Pallu 9950, 9,950 rupees for this wine color. So much work in the lower daman with all over tiny lovely buttas throughout the sari. The upper part I have not done any border, I have just left the zari border with a stripe woven blouse piece. See, this is the blouse piece with this. The sari itself has this woven zari woven blouse, so the blouse is sari blouse, and the color combination, see, red and wine. Very gorgeous, bright color combination, but at the same time very smart. See, the pallu ends where the weaving starts. The thread work ends where the weaving starts. When you send the message after payment, I mean confirmation of the payment, and you send me the address, it's a request, kindly send in one format with your name, delivery address and the phone number, local phone number where the delivery needs to be done, and if it's international, the zip code. Everything is very necessary to get the proper delivery in right time. See, a bottle green. It's olive bottle, I mean between olive and bottle. This color is also very pretty, rich Kashmiri embroidery in the daman again. So I'll show you 4 colors in this too. Very rich, pretty colors. With again striped zari woven blouse piece, tussar blouse piece, and see how rich this looks when you wear this. It will look like a lehenga. The niche wala part will have so much of broad work. It look very nice. Blue. I love the comments that you message me in WhatsApp after receiving the products, or also in the YouTube comments. Thank you so much for all the love that you shower, though I deserve nothing, not I don't deserve so much of love and all, but I know how well, so thoughtful you are. 9,950 for this, and thank you for supporting all the karigars, the weavers, the whole unit that is involved in this creation. Thank you so much. Thank you from my heart. This is the blouse piece for this. Blue with red work. Number 13, similar one in jet black and red. Now the winter season is almost here, so black is the time when you in winters we love wearing blacks. So you can try this color. It's looking very pretty. Jet black and red orange color combination. Kashmiri tussar zari border embroidery, 9,500. And these are traditional sarees, they never go out of fashion. This is the blouse piece. Please do like, share and subscribe for regular notifications. All the messages will be, you will be getting notifications once you subscribe. There's a Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, which is, the link is already provided in this, YouTube channel. In the video, the link is already provided. Also the Insta page. So you can see the next episode, the preview of the next episode, or also the still pictures of these which will be uploaded in Facebook. Sui Dhaga collection, the photo album, Sui Dhaga collection. There's also another album, Tussar embroidery. These will be uploaded so that you can check out the still pictures. But since these are one piece, first come first serve basis, once the payment is done, we'll courier it to you in 2 to 3 working days. Courier charges are applicable. This is also very pretty, 8990 minimum range with all over work. Lovely sea green color, very sober. It's a day wear color. In day wear, during the day, this color really looks very fresh and soothing. Of course, at night also you can wear, but a day wear, this color looks so gorgeous, very sober. This is the running blouse piece with this, and see, it's got chicken work. Zari pallu, zari woven border. Another color, purple, same price, 8,990 rupees. See this color also. This is an evening wear color. Loving the color, it's looking so gorgeous. Product number 15, and this is the pleats for this. And of course the blouse will be running with the zari woven border. Very pretty saree. Soft, very soft and so comfortable. Another color in the same design. This is blue. Throughout work. So this way you can understand how pretty this will look on draping. So I'm trying my best to show you the look of the product. See, dyed tussar, shaded, border, pallu, no buta, solid color, plain color, which is very, you love, even I like, without any butas, rich border and pallu. 10,900, shaded, this part is dyed, magenta and mustard color. It's not mustard, actually you can say biscuit color. And since the sari itself is in solid color with border, obviously I've given the blouse very rich thread work. See, this is why the sari I've kept it border pallu concept. See the blouse piece, rich tussar all over embroidered blouse, 10,900. So you make it a big sleeve blouse, or you can make a shirt style blouse in this, or a kurta jacket blouse with this also, because in winter these goes very well with your skirts also, with other saris these go very well. See the lovely color combination. This is the pallu once again and the border. I have two colors in this. The one that I showed was magenta and this is red. Both the colors are rich colors. Achol, red and biscuit color blends very well in tussar. Here is the blouse piece. So this is the lovely blouse piece with this. Here is the sari. Doria work, black Doria with contrast blouse piece. Every time I've got multiple enquiries about this, but this time I've got just one. This is, see the French knot work in between, and this lovely, intricate embroidery Doria cord work, 8950. See the pallu. 8,950 rupees, very rich, and of course when you wear it with this contrast red blouse piece, it will look more pretty. This is the blouse piece with this solid color red tussar blouse piece, and here is the sari. Now coming to some zari border embroidered tussar with zari border. The color, it's a greyish powder blue color, neither grey nor sky blue. In between, it's a beautiful crayon shade color. See, this is the silver zari thread work, silver zari embroidery with silk thread work, Parsi work throughout with silver zari outline. Sober color combinations has been used, but the embroidery is so rich, it's looking very gorgeous. 9,900 for this. Again, during the day, this will look really gorgeous. This is the blouse piece, running blouse piece. These are very elegant colors actually, very rarely comes, after dyeing. Sometimes these come by chance, these colors. But second time when I try to dye this, maybe this color will not come. Now another very gorgeous color, yellow with this work is Kani border. I've used a Kani border and the border is attached additionally to increase the width of the sari. 12,500. This is original Kani weave, the border, and even the piping that has been used in pure raw silk. Throughout booties, fern booties throughout in zari and silk thread, green embroidery, and the Kani border goes running with blouse piece. This is the blouse piece, extra sleeves given for your border. All concept sarees actually. Number 22, 11,300, check tussar, check zari tussar with mirror work. I love this color combination, it's slate and magenta. Daman with full paisley embroidery, the border will have this running mirror work. Achol, see it's so fashionable, this sari. I love this color. Very gorgeous slate color with mirror work, with paisley, and of course it will have a lovely contrast blouse piece. Meena Buta embroidered blouse piece in magenta. Daman. Another very unique color which we think twice before wearing, thinking that it will make us look darker, but no, these are the colors, actually gives a different look to us. Our whole look changes when you wear these kind of earthy tones, which looks earthy but gives a very, very rich look and feel. 9,500 for this, and the best part is this combination, dark chocolate with pista mint green color combination, cross stitch and all over work with blouse piece. We have tussar embroidery starting from 8,000, but these are all designer pieces, very thought processing, a lot of hard work. The concepts has been gone into it, and these are all over embroidery. And so you can visit the branches for more options if you want more variety, more range. And these are all pure tussar with all over work. So these are around 9,000 starting. The prices are all mentioned. Another Kashmiri work, all over Kashmir. Just see the work, so much of embroidery, so many threads has been used, so much of thread, and all silk resham threads. Zari woven border, no gap, all over work. I have shown more colors in previous episodes, tussar embroidery episodes. We had reds and blues, mustards, Now black, this is the blouse piece, it's plain because the sari is with all over work. Same thing in wine color. The blouse will be plain because so much of work and the blouse again work will not look good. So it's just a plain blouse with the woven border which there in the sari, and the pallu will also have the zari weave. Very rich color combination. Just see once again the color. And the last one, it's a chicken work with Parsi jal. Very hep looking traditional sari. See the this black, jet black color with red Parsi thread work throughout the sari, and the contrast chicken work border. Pallu with chicken work, 13,900. It's totally a party wear, very fashionable designer sari with all over work and solid color blouse piece in black. This is the blouse piece, and here is the sari. There should always be a feel good factor when you wear a traditional sari. And now what I am wearing, this is also a tussar. This part is dyed printed red part. This is thread work. Pallu with all over butta. This is charcoal black color. 7,950 rupees for this. Very soft, comfortable, lightweight with red color blouse piece. This has a red color blouse piece with a black narrow border, dyed border. And another color that I have is in coffee color, dark, very dark blackish coffee color. The one that I am wearing is charcoal black color, and the one that I am showing now is a very dark coffee color. So whichever color you want, both are available. Number 27, and this is 7,950 rupees for this. Both the colors are very pretty. This is blackish burgundy actually, you can say. This is the blouse piece. Even for my sari, the blouse piece will be same. So this is one color. See the thread work, intricate work, and mine one is already shown. This is my color. And the neck piece that I am wearing is 2350, 2350 the mala. 2390 for the mala. You can increase the length also, and the sari I have already told you 7,950 rupees. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching till the end. নমস্কার, সবাই ভালো থাকবেন, সুস্থ থাকবেন।